If you ever used Screaming Frog, you have probably had this experience. You run a crawl, it gives you thousands of rows of data, hundreds of tabs, dozens of reports, and then you spend the next hour trying to figure out what actually matters. The problem is not finding SEO issues anymore. The problem is understanding them. And that's exactly what we are going to compare today. Now, before we start, Screaming Frog is one of the most powerful SEO tools ever built. I've used it for years. Most technical SEOs have, but I think there is a major problem between a powerful tool and an efficient workflow. And that's where things get interesting. Let's start with what most people see when they run a crawl using the Screaming Frog. Tabs everywhere, response code, security reports, text content types, directives, canonical reports, JavaScript reports, and this is too technical even for a technical SEO expert. But that is fine. But for most people, it is overwhelming. Most people don't know what X frame options are, content type, security headers, response chain actually mean. And honestly, many of these reports are not the first thing you should be focusing on anyway. What I wanted with Crawl Beast was a much simpler approach. Show me what's broken, what's missing, and what's hurting SEO, and what needs attention first. Issue prioritization. This is probably the biggest difference. Screaming Frog is excellent at finding issues, but it doesn't really tell you what's important, what can wait, and what deserves attention first. So if your website has 100 warnings, 50 errors, and 20 notices, where do you start? Crawlbeast automatically groups issues by priority. So instead of analyzing 100 of reports, you immediately know where your attention should go. Traceability. This is the feature that saves me the most time. Let's say you find a broken link. Most SEO will tell you the page is broken. Okay, now what? Even on a Screaming Frog, you have to go through multiple tabs in order to find where the page is broken. On Crawlbeast with source tracking, I can immediately see the source page and the affected pages and the issue relationships without manually digging through multiple tabs or reports like on Screaming Frog. And this alone saves hours during large audits. Another thing I found frustrating is that some common SEO checks require extra filtering and analysis. Things like missing H1s, orphan pages, external follow links, internal no follow links are surfaced immediately on Crawlbeast. So instead of spending time finding the issue, I can spend time fixing it. This is something most people don't talk about enough. Every time I want to revisit a website, I have to open the crawl, reload data, start again, manage files manually. With Crawlbeast, projects stay organized inside a dashboard. I can revisit previous audits, recrawl website, track projects, and continue where I left off. Now, this is not just about crawl speed, it's about how quickly you can go from crawl complete to action taken. Because honestly, SEO tools don't create value. Fixing SEO issues creates value. And the faster you can understand what needs attention, the faster you can improve a website. So, which tool is better? Honestly, if you are a highly technical SEO, Screaming Frog is still an incredible tool. But if your goal is understanding issues faster, prioritizing the problems, tracing issues quickly, and reducing audit time, then I think Crawlbeast offers a much simpler workflow. Because technical SEO should not feel like reading server logs because you are not going to understand them. It should feel like solving problems.